guys? So Eric Jr. here once again. What I'm going to teach you is going to be so freaking super simple that I can teach my grandma or even my 12-year-old sister how to do this, let alone my 6-year-old sister. So basically what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and teach you how to generate income on YouTube with 0 subscribers, right? Now, how do we do this? Let me go ahead and show you, right? First and foremost, what we're going to do is called affiliate marketing. You're going to be able to literally see affiliate marketing. So affiliate marketing, right? Affiliate marketing is the process of earning a commission by promoting other people's or companies' products. You find a product you like, promote it to others, and earn a piece of the profit or each sale that you make. It's that freaking simple, guys. So we don't need our own product. We don't need a website. We don't need freaking anything. All we need, right, is a YouTube account and somebody else's product to promote, right? So what we're going to do is first we're going to go ahead and find a product. But before we find a product, right, we need to find a niche, right? So a niche is a shallow recess, especially one in a wall too. That is not a niche, right? So a niche, just to explain what it is, because obviously that didn't do me any justice. A niche is something that you like, right? Whether it's health and wellness, ponies, food, affiliate marketing, whatever, right? So what we're gonna do is I'm gonna use, it's called ClickBank, right? So you want to go to clickbank.com, create an absolutely free account, right? And what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the marketplace to find out different things that I can promote for free, right? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to, let's say, so look at all these different niches, right? Categories. Computer, education, employment, jobs, fixtures, games, health and fitness. Most likely going to go with health and fitness. Perfect. So health and fitness, right? So just to explain, right, what's going to happen is there's going to be so many freaking offers that I can promote. Once I find these offers, right, I figure out one I want to promote. I literally press promote, and then they're going to give me a link. Then all I have to do is drive traffic to that link, which I'm going to show you very shortly. And the sales that are generated, I'm going to get a commission. So an example, right? What is this? Lean belly breakthrough. Freaking awesome. So what happens is, holy moly, right? They're going to go ahead and give me a 92% commission, right? So what that means is that off this $37 sale that I generate for this company, I'm going to get paid like 33, 34, 35 bucks. So all I have to do is generate 3 sales a day to make $100 a day. That's simple, right? So 3 sales a day is going to get me $100 a day. That simple. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and promote, right? So tracking ID, I'm going to put YouTube because I know this traffic comes from YouTube. Create. Now, here's the thing. This long link, right? Once I go, I'm going to check it out. What I'd actually be promoting. Oh, this is freaking awesome. I love it. So what's going to happen is this is going to be a sales video, right? Now what happens is once they go ahead and click the sales video, they're going to go ahead and watch it. Look, do this simple 2-minute ritual to lose 1 pound of belly fat every 72 hours, right? So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and promote this. The people who buy this, every time somebody buys this from my link that I just typed in, I'm going to go ahead and get a $33 commission. Now, here's the thing, right? We're on YouTube, right? And we have freaking 0 subscribers. How do I make any freaking money? I'm not going to be able to drive traffic. Great. What you're going to be able to do is go to youtube.com, right? I have 0 subscribers. Let's just say I'm starting from nothing, so I can't drive traffic to this offer with my own videos, right? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and put weight loss, right? So once I go to weight loss, I'm going to click this first video. There's going to be a couple of videos. Look, 4.4 million views, 593,000 views, 1.4 million views. So 113,000 views. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click this first one, right?
I'm Brandon Bouchard, and I'm author of the new
and
book,
we're getting hit with
High
an ad.
Performance Habits. How extraordinary.
Hey guys, what is up? And welcome back to my...
So shout out to Liv Vargas. I have no idea who you are, but we're going to try to partner together so I can put some money in your account and you can put some money in mine, right? So if you go in the description, right, she's getting 597,000 views. Holy hell, this was August. This was 2 months ago. So the amount of traffic, let's do the math really quick. August, September, October. So within 2 months, she's getting about 250,000 views per month. That is ridiculous traffic. So what I'm going to do is, for business inquiries, first I have to make this link a little bit more sexy. So I'm going to go to bit.ly.com, create a free account, right? I'm going to create a link and let's see. I'm going to shorten up the link, right? That long link that they gave me to promote, and I'm going to try to create, I'm going to just put weight loss. But I'm going to customize the link. Let's try to make it lose 5 lbs a week. Or let's just see if that's available. Lose 5 pounds. Perfect. So I'm literally gonna bit.ly/lose 5 pounds is what I'm gonna be promoting, right? I'm gonna go ahead and copy this link, and I'm gonna go ahead and go to Olivia, right? I'm gonna go to my Gmail account. Gonna compose an email, copy my email, and I'm simply going to say Olivia Vargas, I'm gonna put YouTube biz inquiry, right? So I'm gonna say, hey Olivia, I was wondering, and I'm gonna go ahead and get the link of the video, right? Wondering. So it's unorganized for right now, but it's gonna come together, right? I was wondering if I could promote traffic to my website using your video to my website. So I'm gonna say, so I copied and pasted her video link, right? bit.ly. So I was wondering if I could promote traffic to my website using your video, right? I'm looking to increase traffic to boost my rankings in Google. I'd be willing to pay you $30 to keep my link in your bio for a couple of days. Tell me if this works. If or would like to know your prices. Hope to hear from you soon. Awesome video. Look forward to putting money in your pocket. Eric. So, what I'm going to do, right? I'm going to say, hey, Olivia, I was wondering, hold on. I was wondering if I could promote traffic to my website using your video, right? I'm looking to increase traffic to boost my rankings in Google. Obviously, I'm not going to tell this person that I want to use your YouTube to help me make money. I'm going to go ahead and let her know I just want to boost my rankings in Google, YouTube by increasing my visitors, right? I'll be willing to pay $30 to keep my link in your bio for a couple of days. Tell me if this works. Now, let's do the math really quick, right? On average, 250,000 views per month. That means she's getting over 10,000 views, or around 10,000 views per day. Imagine the type of traffic and sales that will generate if I put my link in her bio, right? Now what you do is you find a product, right, within a niche, and then what you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and send a bunch of these messages to people all over YouTube, right? These big influencers who have this big amount of following, big amount of views. You ask to put the link, and what's going to happen is, let's just say because of this let's just say I spend $30 a day, but let's just say I generate 10 sales per day because I'm getting 10,000 views to my 10,000 clicks. Well, not 10,000. Let's say 1%, 1,000 clicks. That's going to go ahead and generate $333 per $30 spent. So that's well worth the investment. So what you're going to do is you're going to leverage somebody else's YouTube. If you have 0 subscribers, use somebody who has thousands of subscribers, thousands of views, right? So recipient, I'm going to go back. I'm going to go to the email. And I'm going to send. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to literally go down. Look, this one, how to lose belly fat. Oh my gosh, that is perfect. How to lose belly fat. Look at the freaking, it's literally, oh my gosh. Belly fat. That's what I'm promoting. What I can do is, this would be the perfect video.
It's time to give big.
So let me see. Business inquiries. Let me see. Email. Perfect. Just to show you that I'm not kidding. So I'm going to go right here. Right? I'm going to go to the sent or sent mail. I'm literally going to go ahead and copy the same thing. And I'm going to say YouTube business inquiry. I'm going to go ahead and copy this link, her link. So imagine if I get one of these people or a couple of these people to send traffic, somebody's going to say yes, I promise you that, right? Perfect. I'm going to say, hey, and the name is Lens. It's that simple. Hey, Lens. Sent. If I do this all freaking day, somebody's going to say yes. When somebody says yes, I'm going to go ahead and get that ridiculous amount of traffic. Look, another one. So her traffic isn't as frequent, right? Because this is from a year ago. So she has 800,000. So on average, she's getting about 70,000 per month, unlike the other person who's getting about 250,000 per month. So the quality of traffic with the other video is going to be a lot better. But how to lose belly fat, I mean, it's more congruent. So even though it might not be as much traffic, it's going to be a lot more congruent. So essentially what I went to is I went to ClickBank, I got an offer, found an offer, went to Bitly, made the link shorter, made it more sexy, lose 5 pounds, right? And then what I did is I reached out to these people about a business inquiry. They're going to go ahead and message me back. They're going to let me put my link in their bio. I'm going to PayPal them. Once I PayPal them, let's say $30 for a day, and she generates 10,000 views, you can also track on Bitly how many views. Like example, this is one example. One link I had 16,000 views. One link I had 11,000 views. So that's traffic being sent to my offer and sales generated on the back end. Eventually, the money that you make, you're going to reinvest into paying these people, and you duplicate it, and then you build your business from freaking having a little bit of money to thousands of dollars, right? Consistently messaging these people and promoting these freaking links. So that is how you promote. Hold on, let me go to my Facebook, or actually Instagram. So that is how you promote, guys. That is how you generate like consistent sales and money with having zero subscribers, right? Now follow your boy on Instagram, but hopefully you guys gain value, and that's what this is all about, guys. Help you guys profit, generate income, and learning different creative ways to generate an income online if you don't know how to get to that destination you want to get to. So that's very simple, guys. 0 subscribers on YouTube. You guys are going to be able to utilize that same step-by-step process to start generating traffic to your offers, selling things online, and cashing out